welcome to our new session, that is Atoms and Molecules, Part 1. See, students, the universe contains two things mainly, that is space and the matter. Let us come to the matter. Matter, from the previous chapters, you know that matter is existing in three forms, depending on the physical state. They are solids, liquids and gases. These solids, liquids and gases, depending on the temperature and pressure, they can be interconvertible. Means they can be changed from one form to the other form. From the other previous chapters, you can know this thing. And in this lesson, we are going to know about the ultimate particle or what is the ultimate of the matter. See, Indian philosophers also got this same question, that is, what is the ultimate of matter? They had did some researches and they said that one Indian philosopher, Maharshi Kannad, he said that matter, in his words, Padartha, he has said, the Padartha contains Paramanu. Padartha means here matter. This Paramanu, according to him, that Paramanu cannot be further divisible. Means if we go on dividing the matter, we will stop at Paramanu. Means these Paramanu further they cannot be divisible. And one more Indian philosopher, Paduka Katyayana, he said that Paramanu exists in the combined form in matter. In the matter, how the Paramanu exists? They exist in the combined form, in the joint form. Okay? And these all things, these Indian philosophers' studies about the matter has taken place in the 18th century. And at the same time period, in Greek also, the philosophers started to study about the matter. See, these two philosophers of Greek, they are Democritus and Leucippus. These two, Democritus and Leucippus, said that if we go on dividing the matter, definitely we will get a situation when the particles cannot be divided further. And this philosopher, Democritus, he has given or he has introduced the word atom to that non-divisible particle. This word atom, it is derived from a Greek word atomio. In Greek, the word atomio means uncuttable or non-divisible. Okay? Students, all of you take the screenshot of the board. Next, by the end of 18th century, scientists could reveal the difference between the elements and the compounds. Elements and compounds. Compounds are what? These are the group of elements. So scientists, they got some questions there. What are the questions? Why elements combine and how they combine, and when the elements combine, what happens? These are the questions in front of the scientists. And then at the same time, scientists Lavoisier and Proust, they both did so many experiments. And the scientist Lavoisier, he had introduced two laws of chemical combination. See that Lavoisier laws of chemical combination, they were two. One is law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. And the other one is law of constant proportions. Other one is law of constant proportions, or else it is also known as law of definite proportions. And these two laws are proved by the scientists Lavoisier and Proust. So, in front of scientists, one more new task came, that is to give the explanation for these laws. So, to give the explanation for these two laws, the nature of the matter should be explained. At that time, the John Dalton scientist, he came and he had taken the criteria divisibility. The divisibility, till then it was just a philosophy. but for the first time he had taken scientifically. See this based on this divisibility which is given by the Greek and Indian philosophers, he had introduced or used the atom for the first time. Atom means what definition he had given? It is the smallest indivisible particle of the matter. And his postulates regarding the nature of the matter are known as Dalton's atomic theory. With his atomic theory, he could explain the laws of chemical combination, and also he could explain the nature of the matter. So students, with this what we can say finally? That is, the matter contains compounds and compounds contain molecules. Molecules contain elements. Elements contain atoms. Means what? Atoms are the final or ultimate particles of the matter. Atoms are the ultimate particles of the matter. And atoms cannot be divided further. These atoms are the building blocks of the matter. These are the building blocks of the matter. Means if you take a building which is made of bricks, that brick is considered as atom here. Okay? Means the atoms together they form the matter. In the matter, the final one is atom. Atom cannot be divisible. These are given by the Dalton. At that time, the scientists believed that the atom is indivisible one only. But after discovery of radioactivity, it is proved that atom is also can be divisible. It will have some subatomic particles in it. Okay. So with these students, we will stop it here today. In our class, what we have learned today? The history of atoms. What we have learned today? History of atoms. How the word atom is introduced and what are considered as the atoms we have learned today. Okay, I hope you understood well. Okay, all of you, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Be watching my videos. Thank you all of you. Bye.